What's up, YouTube? I said I was gonna do this one from start to finish, and I kind of already started on tearing this one apart. It is a well, the VIN says that it's a police bike, but it looks like a RoadGlide. So we're gonna be doing a complete build. This whole bike is gonna get repainted, all black, new pipes, new exhaust, dual pipes, because right now they're going from 2 to 1. It's gonna get a new seat, new rear end. It is gonna be CVO style rear end, stretch bags all the way down, gonna be black. It's gonna be a nice black. Also, we're gonna put new latches on these. We're gonna clean those up. We're gonna do a new odometer, which we already have the odometer there. We're gonna do new stereo. We're gonna do stereo wiring all the way. We're gonna take this, whatever this is, we're gonna take all this out, clean it all up. Right now, it has a few speakers in here. There we go. It's got some subwoofers in here, some 6x9s, and on this side, another pair of 6x9s. We're gonna clean these up for the new box. Right, it also has a luggage rack. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that luggage rack on. We're gonna take off the front end. The rims are coming off. These are gonna be chromed. Handlebars are gonna be chromed. Look at that one, my baby right there. I'll do an update video on my bike real soon, just so you guys can see. And then I'm fully stocked on gear, oil, and motor oil and filters and all that stuff. I have a little mess going on, but it's been busy here at the shop. This is a customer's bike, carburetor rebuild. Don't mind that one for now. I'm gonna focus on this one. Once again, we're gonna do a full build on this one. Well, it's not really a build, it's just more of a refresh. We're gonna clean this one up. Sure. We're gonna clean this up real nice. And I will post this one. Note to self, I will start my YouTube videos once again. So here we go. Let's get to it. Let's continue what I've already started to do. So take these bars off. Gonna go ahead and take off the forks and get these ready for chroming. Cool. See you guys in a bit. All right, so I went ahead and took off the sleeves. Those are ready. Also took off the handlebar, which I just need to take the wires off so we can send those out. That's gonna get prepped for paint. I need to run and get the paint. The painter just called that the paint is ready, but I still need to do all the prep work for this one. We're just gonna kind of sand everything down a little bit, and then my other painter is gonna paint the gas tank and the rest of the stuff. I'm just gonna help out a little bit. I'm prepping some of these pieces so that way we can get this moving much faster than my last project bike. I'm trying to get this out ASAP, but want to make sure that everything's running clean. Next, removing the gas tank, side covers, rear fender, saddlebags and the rest of this front end, so we can move on to doing the wiring for the stereo. I'm gonna try to clean up that wiring harness for the handlebars, because that's not good right there. That wouldn't fly with me, but I'm gonna try to clean it up as much as I can. Yeah. All right, quick update. Remove the rear end saddlebags. Actually, I didn't remove, not yet, but saddlebags are off, side covers are off, center cluster is off. I'm about to take off the tank. The front end is completely ready to be removed. I just needed to go over some things with the customer. He's on his way. Kind of like the speakers are connected directly to that wire. So I don't personally like that. If you're gonna do it, I believe that you should just do it right the first time. And so we gotta take care of that. So giving him his opinion, I'm asking for his opinion and giving him options to replace it. So far it's looking pretty good. It's moving along pretty quick. Putting the parts over here. Put them on the ground for now because they're gonna get ready for paint. And then move on from there. Back to the time lapse. Well, that was pretty messy. I thought I drained the whole tank, and clearly I didn't. So I had to clean up a little bit, but got the tank off and gonna set up for the rest of this, get some of the wiring going. But I think that's gonna be it for today, and then I will continue to post the continuation on this build. So like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll be posting a part 2 as soon as I get started on it. So most likely I'll get started on it tomorrow, so I'll post up the next one as soon as possible. Cool. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.